Launching a campaign on crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo is thrilling. But when the campaign ends, the real challenge begins, delivering to thousands of global backers. Many creators fall into the trap of double shipping, moving goods from factories to their own country, then worldwide. This ruins your budget and messes up your Kickstarter logistics. That's where specialized Crowdfunding fulfillment services come in. By shipping directly from China, ChinaDivision eliminates middle steps, reducing your international shipping cost by up to 40%. Whether it's complex board games or heavy tech gadgets, our Kickstarter fulfillment services handle kitting, custom packaging, and strict quality control before your rewards cross the ocean. Seamless Indiegogo fulfillment keeps your backers updated with real-time tracking, transforming your successful crowdfunding campaign into a sustainable, long-term brand. Don't let shipping delays hurt your brand's reputation. Trust ChinaDivision for hassle-free Kickstarter fulfillment.